thank you everyone for this surprise little visit today. As you'll know, Angela Hillary, our Chief Exec, launched the Quality Awards a few months ago. The Quality Awards are kind of 6 nominations: NHS Ambassador, Patient Choice, Leadership, Unsung Hero, Pride Award and Quality Care Award. And they're going to be quarterly, leading up to an annual celebration towards the end of the year. So each of the winners from each of the quarters will go through to the annual celebrations, and there will be some overall winners at that point. And I'm delighted today to be here to award the CATSS team collectively the Patient Choice Award for the first quarter. And I just wanted you're not supposed to know who the nomination's from, so I shall hide that a little bit. But I shall just read from the nomination from a service user that personally I actually know very well. So I think particularly given the individual, it is both surprising and refreshing, and you must know this is really heartfelt from this individual because they have used the CATSS service quite a lot over the last few years. In effect, what she has to say: I've used the CATSS since they started. They were threatened with closure due to cuts in funding, but thankfully were saved. They provide a lifeline for mental health service users as other vital services are being withdrawn, and they work tirelessly 24/7, even bank holidays. And have remained professional, kind and caring to me during my worst times. I suspect CATSS rarely get recognition for their dedication, as they work unnoticed in their little back room dealing with the impossible. Each individual in the team tries to provide a person-centred service because they can access EPEX, avoiding me having to go over old ground. This is invaluable to me. It's better to speak with a person whose voice I recognise. Most of them recognise me. I find it better than speaking to a complete stranger when I'm in mental distress. Please consider the CATSS team for an award. So this truly does go to the whole CATSS team in recognition of your contribution to I think the safety and the quality outcomes for our patients and service users. So I'm delighted to be here today to award you it's a little certificate signed by Angela. So I think if we can just take a little snap. Great, thank you.
The CATSS team has been in existence now for just over 6 years. Very small team of 5 members of staff, plus myself. Works 24/7, telephone services 24/7, 365 days a year, helping service users with their distress, anxiety, mental health issues that they might have, carers support as well. We also do the 24-hour discharge follow-up for patients discharged from inpatient wards. Our liaison with the police and ambulance crews across the county. So we're busy a lot of the time and take numerous calls over the course of a month, in excess of 3,000 most of the time. So I'm really, really proud of my team. Emotional now.
How do you feel now that you've won the Patient Choice Award?
I feel quite emotional actually. I think it's a privilege.
I think collectively I can say we feel proud of the service. We aim to deliver quality care, and it's just fascinating that somebody has actually recognized us and wrote a good speech which was read out, and I think it's a reflection of what we're doing and what we stand for. And it is a very difficult service, especially when we are facing so many cuts and threatened to lose our jobs. But I think in this it just goes to show that the patient has been put first, and that it's a reflection of what we're doing. Yeah, that's all I can say.